Good morning, Devashish.
Good morning, sir.
କେତେବେଳେ ଯାଇଥିଲା?
नोटा स्टार्ट हो पूरा चैप्टर 12
ଏଇଟା ତ ସରିଯାଇଥିଲା। ଡାଇନାମିକ ଅବଜର୍ଭେସନ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ତ ସରିଯାଇଥିଲା ନା?
नोटा स्टार्ट हो चैप्टर 12 लास्ट
ଏଇଟା ଅଲରେଡି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା।
पूरा हैंग हो जी
The wrapper utility start हो।
सर स्क्रीन पे देखून सर पूरा देखो
ଏଇଟା
पूरा
ଦେଖା
देखो
ଶୁଭୁନି?
सर पूरा लोडिंग होच माने 411 पेज देखो मते एटा तो
411 ତ ଏଇଠୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ ତ?
सर सर स्टार्ट हो
The PLSQL wrapper utility. The PLSQL wrapper is a standalone utility that hides application internals by converting PLSQL source code into portable object code. Wrapper has the following features: platform independency, dynamic loading, dynamic binding, dependency checking, normal importing and exporting when invoked. Right? Wrapper माने कौन गोटे अच्छी तमरो गोटे सोर्स को आ गोटे सोर्स को तमो जते कन्वर्ट जते करा जाए सेतले रैपर तमरो यूज करा जाए। तो रैपर र मोर पांचटा फीचर्स अछि जोटा कि होची इंडिपेंडेंसी, प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंसी, डायनेमिक लोडिंग, dynamic binding, dependency checking, normal importing and exporting when invoked. तमे invoke time रे import and export तमे करि परिबो, right? Wrapper through. The PLSQL wrapper is a standalone utility that converts PLSQL source code into portable object code. Using it, you can deliver PLSQL application without exposing your source code, which may contain proprietary algorithm and data structure. Data structure माने कौन? डाटा को स्ट्रक्चर्ड मैनर रे हमको मैनेज करिया पय हेले हमको डाटा स्ट्रक्चर दरकार, राइट? दैट वाज अ डाटा स्ट्रक्चर. The wrapper converts the readable source code into unreadable code by hiding application internals, and it prevents misuse of your application. Wrapper code such as PLSQL store programs has several features. It is platform independent, so you do not need to deliver multiple versions of the same compilation unit. It permits dynamic loading, so user need to shut down and restart to add a new feature. It permits dynamic binding, so external references are resolved at load time. It offers strict dependency checking so that individual invalidate program unit are recompiled automatically when they are invoked. It supports normal importing and exporting, so the import or export utility can process wrapper file. Running the wrapper utility, wrapper iname equal to input underscore file underscore name, output name, it was input name, it was output name, equal to output underscore file underscore name. Do not use space around the equal sign. जेतले तमे इक्वल पुट करिवो रैप जेतले यूज करछो प्रॉपर्टी जेतले यूज करछो सेठी स्पेस अलाउ करिवो, राइट? The iname argument is required. The default extension of the is .sql unless it is specified with the name. The oname argument is optional. The default extension for the file is .plb, right? unless specified with the O name argument. Example, wrap iname equal to demo underscore 04 underscore hello dot sql. सेमिति जदि मते ओ नेम माने आउटपुट नेम रे जदि मते शो करबार अछि सेही जिंसटा को ताले डॉट पीएलबी रे मु शो करबे राइट सेटा मोर डॉट पीएलबी रहबो जदि इनपुट जदि दउछि ताले डॉट एसक्यूएल रे रहबो आउटपुट शो करले डॉट पीएलबी रहबो एंड बोथ इनपुट एंड आउटपुट केस रे इक्वल पाखरे स्पेस से अलाउ करबो नै स्पेस दबा जदि दबो तुमको एरर थोबो wrapper the wrapper is an operating system executable called wrap. To run the wrapper, enter the following command at your operating system promote wrap iname equal to iname underscore file underscore name output name equal to output file underscore name. Each of the examples shown in the slide takes a file called demo underscore 404 underscore hello dot sql as input and create an output file called demo underscore 04 underscore hello dot plb. After the wrapped file is created, execute the .plb file from SQL Star Plus to compile and store the wrapped version of the source code as you would execute SQL script files. Note that only the iname argument is required. If oname argument is not specified, then the output file acquires the same name as the input file with an extension of .plb automatically. तमे जदि oname जदि तमे जदि put करूचो तो ओके जदि put करनो by default से जहाँ तमे input नैचो ताकू से show करिवो .plb extension right automatically से convert होगी output. The input file can have any extension, but the default is .sql. Case sensitive of the iname and oname values depend on the operating system. Generally, the output file is much larger than the input file. Do not put space around the equal sign in the iname and oname argument and values. Result of wrapping. Original PLSQL source code in input file, create package name is minimum balance equal to 100, no fonts exception. तापरे तमर जहाँ भी कोडिंग तमे दबा कथा एंड तमे पैकेज करिवो. Wrapped code in the input output file, create package name wrapped, then तार output तार रहइছে. When it is wrapped, an object type package or subprogram has the following form: header, folder, header followed by the word wrapped followed by the encrypted body. The input file can contain any combination of SQL statement. However, the PLSQL wrapper wraps only the following create statement: create or replace type, create or replace type body, create or replace package, create or replace package body, create or replace function, create or replace procedure. All the SQL create statement are passed in enact to the output file. Guideline for wrapping: you must wrap only the package body, not the package specification. The wrapper can be detect syntactic error, but cannot be detect semantic error. The output file should not be edited. You maintain the original source code and wrap it again as required to ensure that that all the important part of your source code are obfuscated. View the wrapped file in a text editor before distributing it. When wrapping a package or object type, wrap only the body, not the specification. Thus, you give other developer the information that they need to use the package without exposing its implementation. If your input file contains syntactic error, the PLSQL wrapper detect and report them. However, the wrapper cannot detect semantic error because it does not resolve external reference. For example, the wrapper does not report an error if the table or view AMP does not exist. Create procedure name रहला then कहाँ ऊपर तुम्हारा apply होची तार रहला employee ID integer amount number as begin update AMP then should be AMP should be EMP set salary equal to salary plus amount where employee number equal to employee ID, right? However, the PLSQL compiler resolve external reference. Therefore, semantic error are reported when the wrapper output file .plb file is compiled. Because its content are not readable, the output file should not be edited. The change a wrapped object, you need to modify the original source code and wrap the code again. The DDL's DBMS underscore DDL package versus and wrap utility code obligation DDL रे तमरो yes रहइबो wrapper रे तमरो yes रहइबो dynamic obligation DDL रे तमरो yes रहइबो wrap रे तमरो no रहइबो obligation multiple program at a time DDL रे तमरो no रहइबो but wrap रे तमरो yes रहइबो. Both the wrap utility and DBMS underscore DDL package has distinct use. The wrap utility is useful for obfuscating multiple program with one execution of the utility. In essence, a complete application may be wrapped. However, the wrap utility cannot be used to obfuscate dynamically generated code at runtime. The wrap utility process an input SQL file and obfuscate only the PLSQL unit in the file, such as package specification and body, function and procedure, type specification and body. The wrap utility does not obfuscate PLSQL content in anonymous block, trigger, non-PLSQL code. The DBMS underscore DDL package is intended to obfuscate a dynamically generated program unit form within another program unit. The DBMS underscore DDL package method cannot obfuscate multiple program unit at one execution. Each execution of this method accept only one create or replace statement at a time as argument, right? Managing the dependency. After completing this lesson, you should be able to the following: track procedure dependency, predict the effect of changing a database object on procedure and function, manage procedural dependency. The overview of schema object dependency. Object type is package body, can be depend or reference dependent only, package specification both, sequence reference only, subprogram both, synonym both, table both, trigger both, user defined object both, user defined collection both, view both. खाली तमरो package body dependent only रे तमरो, right? Some type of object can reference other object in their definition. For example, a view is defined by a query that reference tables or other view, and the body of subprogram can include a SQL statement that reference other object. If the definition of the object a reference object B, then A is a dependent object with respect to B, and B is reference object with respect to A. Dependency issue: if you alter the definition of a reference body object, dependent object may or may not continue to work properly. For example, if the table definition is changed, the procedure may or may not continue to work without error. The Oracle server automatically record dependency among object. To manage dependency, all schema object have a status, valid or invalid, that is recorded in that in data dictionary, and you can view the status in the user underscore object. That dictionary view, if the status of a schema object is valid, then the object has been compiled and can be immediately used when referenced. If the status of a schema object is invalid, then the schema object must be compiled before it can be used. The dependency, direct dependency, dependency procedure, then seta asimo PLSQL setre mame view or procedure reference or dependent, then asiba tamara reference table, right? कोटा तमे view करे पे चाहछ एटा मु क्वेरी एठी देली ए क्वेरी टा मोर PLSQL मोर view करिवो से जो view जोडा क्वेरी मोर एक्जिक्यूटेबल हबो सेटा मोर टेबल ले शो करिवो कारण मु डाटा डाटाबेस भितरु डाटाटा को रिट्रीव करिया पे हेले मते view इंडेक्स स्कीमा एगुडा सब यूज करिया पड़िबो तो मोर रिक्वायरमेंट अनुसार मो जो डाटा को रिट्रीव करिवो सेटा बाय डिफॉल्ट मोर कोथरे शो करिवो मोर रेफरेंस टेबल ले शो करिवो राइट dependency and reference object procedure or function can directly or indirectly through an intermediate view procedure function or package procedure or function reference the following object tables view sequence procedure function package procedure or functions. The direct local dependency procedure A, then procedure B, then procedure B ru view A, then table तम शो करिवो सब मोर डिपेंडेंट मोर टेबल डाटाबेस ऊपर सब मोर डिपेंड राइट. In the case of local dependency, the object are on the same node in the same database. The Oracle server automatically manage all the local dependency using the database internal dependence on table. When a reference object is modified, the dependent object are sometimes invalidated. The next time an invalidate object is called, the Oracle server automatically recompiles it. If you alter the definition of a referenced object, dependent object might or might not continue to function without error, depending on the type of alteration. For example, if you drop a table, no view based on the dropped table is usable. Starting with Oracle Database 10G, the create or replace synonym command has been enhanced to minimize the invalidation to dependent PLSQL program unit and views that reference it. This is covered later in this lesson. The starting with Oracle Database 11G dependency are tracked at the level of element within unit. This is referenced to as fine-grained dependency. Fine-grained dependency are covered later in this lesson. Querying direct object dependency using the user the dependency view, right? Select name type, reference name, reference type, form, user dependency, where reference underscore name in employees, comma, emp underscore view. You can determine which database object to recompile manually by displaying direct dependency from the user dependency data direct dictionary view. All underscore dependency and DBA underscore dependency view contain the additional owner column which reference the owner of the object. The user underscore dependency data dictionary view column, the column of the user underscore dependency data directory data dictionary view are as follows: name, the name of the dependent object; type, the type of the dependent object; procedure, function, package, package body, trigger or view. It is more type result. Referenced owner, the schema of the reference object; reference name, the name of the reference object; type, the type of the reference object; link underscore name, the database link used to access the reference object. Query an object object status. Every database object has one of the following status value, that is valid. The object was successfully compiled using the current definition in the data dictionary. Compiled with error, the most recent attempt to compile the object proceed error. Invalid, the object is marked invalid because an object that it reference has changed. Only a dependent object can be invalid. Unauthorized, an access privilege on a reference object was revoked. Only a dependent object can be authorized. Unauthorized. Querying an object status. Every database object has one of the following status value shown in the table in the slide. Note that the user object, all object, and DBA object static data dictionary views do not distinguish between compile with error, invalid, and unauthorized. Instead, they describe all this as invalid. Invalidation of dependent object. Procedure A is direct dependent of view B. Eta moro direct dependence of view B. View B is a direct dependent of table C, right? procedure A is an indirect dependency on table C, right? एटा मोर आ पे डिपेंड हैला डायरेक्ट, एटा मोर आ पे डिपेंड हैला, तो A और C कोन indirect dependency हैला. Direct dependent are invalidate only by changes to the referenced object that affect them. Indirect dependent on can be invalidated by changes to the reference object that do not affect them. If the object A dependent on object B, which dependent on object C, then A is direct dependent of B, B is direct dependent of C, and A is indirect dependent of C. The Oracle database 11G direct dependent are invalidate only by changes the reference object that affect them, right? तो direct dependence मोर सेटा invalidate काई होबो जे जदी मोर reference धर मु तम ऊपर dependent अछि, right? तो तमे तम डाटा रे जदी किछ चेंजेस कलो जदी मो थिरे जदी मते जदी रिफ्लेक्ट न कला ताले सेटा इनवैलिड हे गेला, बुझला? जेमदी तमरो एक्सेल एक्सेल पाइवट टेबल तुम जब यूज कर पाइवट टेबल ला कौन ओरिजिनल टेबल बेस रे आसे मोर, राइट? पाइवट टेबल रो स्पेसिफिक टेबल किछि नै. पाइवट टेबल टा मु मोर डाटा टा को यूनिकली मते शो करिया पे हेले मो रिक्वायरमेंट रिपोर्ट टा को मते शो करिया पे हेले मते पाइवट टेबल दरकार, कारण मु सेइतरे मोर कॉलम गुडा को यूजर डिफाइंड अनुसार मु अरेंज करबे, राइट? एबे पाइवट टेबल डिपेंड हैला कोठी ओरिजिनल टेबल ऊपर, ओरिजिनल टेबल बेस रे आसे. जदि मु ओरिजिनल टेबल के चेंजेस कली ताले ऑटोमेटिकली से पाइवट टेबल मोर रिफ्लेक्ट कलानी, तो सेटा हे गेला मोर इनवैलिड. मते रिफ्रेश कले मते रिफ्लेक्ट करबो, बट ऑटोमेटिक रिफ्लेक्ट होबा कथा जोटा कि मोर से करे, राइट? सेटा होची इनवैलिड. Indirect dependency can be invalidated by changes to the reference object that do not affect them. If a change to a table C invalidates view B, it invalidates procedure A and all other direct and indirect dependence of view B. This is called ascending cascading invalidation. Assume that the structure of the table on which a view is based is modified. When you describe the view by using the SQL star plus procedure, describe command, you get an error message that state that the object is invalid to describe. This is because the command is not a SQL command. At this stage, the view is invalid because the structure of its base table is changed. If you query the view now, then the view is recompiled automatically and you can see the result if it is successfully recompiled. Schema object change that invalidate some dependency. Example, create view commission as select first name last name commission packet from employees where commission packet is greater than to 0.00. Create view 6 figure salary as select asterisk from employees where salary is 1 lakh greater than equal to 1 lakh. Select object name status from user object where object type equal to view, right? तो सी चेक करके तुमको देखाला कोडा वैलिड अछि कोडा इनवैलिड अछि, राइट? Schema object change that invalidate some dependence. Example, the example in the slide to demonstrate an example of a schema object change that invalidate some dependents but not other. The two newly created view are based on the employees table in the HR schema. The status of the newly created view is valid. Schema object change that invalidates some dependents. Example, alter table employee modified email bracket to select object name status from user object where object type equal to view, right? Suppose you determine that the email column in the employees table need to be length from 25 to 50. You alter the table as shown in the slide above. Because the commission's view does not include the email column, right? In its select list, it is not invalidate. However, the 6 figure view invalidate because all column in the table are selected. Displaying direct and indirect dependency. Run the alter tree dot SQL script that create the object that enable you to display the direct and indirect dependency. Year length then execute the deep tree underscore field procedure. Execute deep tree. Displaying direct and indirect dependency from additional user view called deep tree and ID tree. This view provided by Oracle. For example, make sure that the util tree.sql script has been executed. This script is located in the Oracle Home Lab PLP lab folder. You can run the script as follows. Note that in this class, this script is supplied in the labs folder of your class file. The code example above use the student account. Populate the deep tree underscore temp tab table with information for a particular reference object by invoking the deep tree underscore field procedure. There are three parameters for this procedure is this one, right? Object underscore type, type of the reference object, object underscore owner, schema of the reference object, object underscore name, name of the reference object. Displaying dependency using the deep tree view, select nested underscore label, comma type, comma name, form deep tree, order by SQL sequence tomorrow, sequence tomorrow. You can display tabular representation of all dependent object by querying the deep tree view. You can display an indented representation of the same information by querying the IDP tree view, which consists of a single column named dependency as follows. Select asterisk from IDP tree. तो मत से देखेला है एटा हम काली स्टार्ट करबा मोर प्रेसियस डिपेंडेंसी मेटाडाटा इन ओरेकल डाटाबेस 11 काली तमर सरी जीवो एटा हला आउ तमर अछि मैक्स टू मैक्स आउ तमर 20 टा अछि 20 टा पेज अछि काली सरी बुझला काली सरी जीवो एटा